On the record, this is the videotaped deposition of Paul Sheridan being taken in Detroit, Michigan. Today is June 12, 2006. The time is 9:29 and 29 seconds a.m. Would the attorneys please introduce themselves and the court reporter please swear in the witness.
This is John Osborne on behalf of the Harlow family.
My name is Cheryl Bush and I represent Chrysler.
Sir, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Sheridan. How are you, sir?
Good morning.
We have met before, have we not?
Yes.
I have marked, sir, as exhibit number 1, a copy of a subpoena that I understand to have been served upon you, compelling your attendance today with documents pursuant to the Eastern District of Michigan. Is that the subpoena that you received, sir?
Yes.
Okay. If you don't mind, I'm going to mark your copy as exhibit number 3.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Before you proceed,
Yes, sir.
I want to make sure I understand. The date of execution wasn't filled out?
Yeah.
Okay. And just so the record's clear, I did not receive a notice of deposition from you.
Okay.
All right?
But you
And-
did receive a subpoena to appear here today with documents.
Yes, and I have complied with that subpoena.
Okay.
Now, I'd like to go to number 6 if we could, please.
Well, why don't we go through it one by one, sir?
No, that's not going to happen, counsel. We're going to number 6, and I'm going to read it into the record. Number 6 states,
There's no question pending, so I'm going to move to strike whatever this is. Go ahead, sir.
that's fine. All Daimler Chrysler Corporation documents that were previously in the possession, custody, or control of Paul Sheridan, but which have been given to a third person, so that Paul Sheridan can avoid producing them in response to subpoena. Did I read that correctly?
I'm not giving a deposition here, Mr.
right.
Sheridan.
Ms. Bush, you have essentially accused me of criminal activity. I was not given adequate notice on this to be represented here today by counsel. As far as I'm concerned, you've also accused me of perjury, and I have no intention of answering any of your questions today. I have complied with your subpoena, and you will be hearing from my attorney.
You have complied with my subpoena in what regard, sir?
I have attended today's session.
But the deposition is not over, sir.
You will be hearing.
Mr. Sheridan, you left with a deposition exhibit. Mr. Sheridan has left the room.